Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few different jewelry pieces that I got from Amazon, and these are from different brands that I have recently discovered and I'm in love with them. So I have jewelry sets, a few rings and a pair of really gorgeous earrings. And also Amazon is having their wardrobe refresh sale from the 18th of December, and you will get 50 to 80% discount on fashion and beauty categories. So definitely check out whatever you need and make the most of the sale. You can also check out the items that I will be showing in this video and get them at great discounted prices. And also the sale starts early for Prime members from the 17th of December 12 am. And if you want to know what jewelry items I want to show in this video, please continue watching. The first jewelry set that I want to share is from this brand Mathushri Art, and it's a beautiful kundan set that I got. So this is how it looks. It's got all of these beautiful kundan stones along with these pink ruby like stones and these gorgeous beads. And the set is so flexible, it sits so well on the neckline. You can pair it up with your neutral outfits and it will really elevate your entire look. You can also pair it up with a contrasting color like a green or a navy blue, and this set will look absolutely gorgeous. It also comes with matching earrings. I'll just show you the earrings. So these are the earrings. They are also of a good size. You get the similar design and pattern. So this is how it looks. This one was really affordable and the quality is not bad at all considering the price. Actually the quality is quite good. If you're looking for a really nice kundan set on a budget, you can definitely go for this. So this is the first set that I got and it's from the brand Mathushri Art and I really like it. I will definitely check out more jewelry pieces from this brand next time. Next I got a statement ring from the brand Jewar, Jewr, and for some reason it came in this huge box. But the actual ring is here. So this is how the ring looks like. It looks so gorgeous. It's got this really nice pattern going on with these beautiful white, red and green stones. It's an adjustable ring, so you can adjust it according to your finger size. And the quality of this ring is quite nice. All the stones are intact and it doesn't look cheap at all, though it was quite affordable. And it's got all the colors that we usually have in Indian outfits. So this one will work with a lot of different outfits. For example, it will go so well with the outfit that I'm wearing in this video. So if you're looking for a good multi-purpose statement ring, definitely get this one. Next I have another statement ring from the brand Darsha Collections. This one has this emerald stone in the middle and AD stones all around it. So this is how it looks. It actually looks like fine jewelry. The quality is amazing and I absolutely love the design. This looks so elegant, so royal, and you must have something like this in your collection. And the size is not too big, so it's perfect if you don't like really statementy pieces. You will be able to carry something like this with ease. So if you're looking for a really nice like diamond look-alike ring, definitely check this one out. It's from the brand Darsha Collections. Next I want to talk about these earrings from one of my favorite and a very affordable jewelry brand, that is Zaveri Pearls. I know I have shared jewelry from Zaveri Pearls in so many of my videos, but I really wanted to share these jhumkas in this video because of the unique design. Look at it, it's so unique, and it's like a dome shaped jhumka, and it's got a little bit of pearl laurels on top. It has all of these kundan like stones. It's also got this really pretty peach color beads on the bottom. This is how the jhumka looks like. It looks so gorgeous, and because it's so neutral, you will be able to pair it with just about anything. So it's such a nice statement piece. Lastly, I got this gorgeous jewelry set from the brand Area Jewels. So it has this gorgeous, absolutely beautiful necklace, and it has all of these different stones. It has white stones and ruby pink stones and these green beautiful beads at the bottom. The design is so classy and elegant, and the quality is absolutely beautiful. It doesn't have any stones missing, and it is also very flexible. It sits really well on the neckline, and because it has ruby stones and green beads, you will be able to pair it with so many different outfits. So if you have any upcoming weddings, then you can check this one out. And you can also wear it like a choker or a necklace, however you like. It will sit really well on your neck. And this one also comes with matching earrings. I'll just show you the earrings. So it comes with these really pretty earrings. Love the design. It's like so beautiful, and if you want, you can also wear these on their own. So this is the last set that I got from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. I quickly wanted to mention this beautiful jewelry set from Odette. I have shared this in a previous video. If you want, you can check it out. I'll link it above. So this is a gorgeous piece that I absolutely love, and I also wore it to my best friend's wedding. So it's got this golden chain like thing and kundan pendants that look so royal and classy. It comes with really small but beautiful earrings, and like you know, Odette is one of my most favorite jewelry brands on Amazon. If this particular set is available, I'll definitely link it in the description box. So that is it. These were all the jewelry pieces that I got from Amazon this time, and I absolutely love everything that I got. The jewelry pieces are so beautiful, and I also tried out a few different brands that I really liked. So I will definitely check out more jewelry pieces from these brands. Also, don't forget to check out the wardrobe refresh sale on Amazon. They have some amazing discounts. If you want to check out these products, I'll have all the links in the description box. If you like this video, I'm sure you're going to love other videos on my channel. You can check them out right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.